Hello friends, today we are going to see Canon Pixma G3000 unboxing. Okay, so let's start. First we will cut it, same scissor. Okay, here we are. Okay, looks like we have manuals here. Okay, looks like we have manuals here with us. Then we have, I think, driver CDs here. Okay, let's go ahead and see it. Okay, let's check out. You can see the Pixma and some Canon logos. Let's start. Let's unpack this. Okay. So we can see here. This is Canon G3000 printer. We have this type of buttons, displays here, everything. You can have a look. Pixma G3000, nice little compact printer. This is ink tank printer. You can have a look. The ink tanks here and this one. Yeah. So next one, what we're gonna look at is we have inks with this and the power plug with this. Okay, yeah, so we can have a look at this. This is what we will have. It's a compact package with this one. And okay, so power plug inks. And this is color pool. Yeah, we can have a look. I think this is what we get into this Canon Pixma G3000. Okay, thank you for watching.